Hello dear bonsai friends, I'm Peter. Welcome to my bonsai channel. On this little video, I'll show you how to start a bonsai out of plant nursery material to become a pre-bonsai at least. Fine stuff? Look at my video. Thank you. First, we will see the picture before and after. Have a look at my way to this result. At the end of the video, I show you my vision for the next month. This juniper procumbens nana was available for €4 at the hardware store last winter. First, I repotted him and bleached out the foliage to get more light into the tree tops. Now, after 5 months, I'm going to design it. I'm trying to figure out what shape I want to achieve. I will take my time for that. This juniper has a very nice curved trunk, but I have the feeling that there is a one-sided weighting. I will design the upper part of the trunk to a deadwood chin for now. First, I cut away all branches that bother me. When a branch is cut away, this is a final decision. The goal is a balanced design with movement and counter movement. Little by little, I get a better feeling for the future shape of the bonsai. Now I will wire the main branches and the trunk and try different positions. branches of this juniper are very flexible. I already tried to find a front side view considering the Nebari. Now I removed the buds that should not grow any further. This also promotes the compression of the foliage. Another branch is removed. Now I have only two main branches with two front views. So I give the tree a suggestion how it should develop further. Next I remove the bark of the deadwood area. I'm not sure if I use this gin in the long run. Maybe I will remove it in a later stage. Finally, the bonsai is anchored to the pot with wires. So I'm satisfied with the result. And you? How do I imagine the further development? The vision should be developed while designing. For this, it is good if you know how a juniper grows. A tightly closed and in layers structured foliage with a thickening of the trunk maybe will make this little tree into a little bonsai. Be curious. I am happy if I may share my modest knowledge with you. Please leave a comment, thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel to be notified when there's a new video. Thank you for your interest and all the best. Stay healthy. Until the next time.